Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. So in last couple of videos, we saw a creation of entity extension and creating a type list, and then followed by video we saw how to populate the entity columns. So we created an object and we are populating it. Now we will see creation of PCF. All these values we will create in the PCF and we will see how it will be displayed. So for this, I'm already logged in. I'll just edit and code the policy, whether it is throwing any exceptions or not. Yeah, there is no exception. We are good on this point. So our code is working fine. I don't see any exception over here. Now let's go back to UI and we will populate these vehicle related rate groups beside another tab. So vehicle details is there, right? Beside that, we will develop one more card panel. So let's open vehicle screen. So for this, I have clicked on Alt Shift I so that we will see all this location related information. So Control Shift N, opening this PA vehicle screen. Yes, we are here. And yeah, this is the one. If we double click, it goes inside. I already clicked on it. Yeah. Yes, we are here. So guys, here I'll do only hard codes so that we can see the things. Basically, we need to create a display key and from there we need to retrieve like this display key dot get. But for our purpose, I'm going to create, I'll do hard coding. So this is a card panel. We will add one more card. So I have searched card over there and add beside this. Yes, I want to add beside this, not at the end. Is it? Why it is not going? Should go. Why? Not sure the reason, but we will move from the text, if not from here. Okay, it's looks like it's already moved. We need to add the things. Okay. Yeah, it is moved. ID vehicle rate groups. Yes, rate groups. I'll keep like this. Okay. And then we need to have a list iterator. So we see all things are panel refs. What I will do, I'll create a row iterator. Yes, I'll put over here. Just drag and drop, guys. So that's it. So in this row iterator, is it editable? Yeah, we can provide edit element name. For this, first we need to get it from the vehicle. Vehicle dot. What is the name? Let me check here. Selected vehicle. Okay, here it is row iterator. Yeah, selected vehicle dot rate groups. Yes, then element name is rate group UP. Yes, we need to have rate group underscore ext. Yeah, fine. Yes, then we need to first we will provide inside row iterator we need to add cells only. So first I will add a cell to just override or not. So button cell, no checkbox cell, empty cell. Does it be checkbox? I think so. Let me go and add checkbox cell. Yes, editable. We will provide it as a true so that user can provide. Or else let's go with open for edit instead of true. Yeah, I think above also I added in the same manner. I'll change open for edit. Yeah, ID should be override. Value should be we had a rate group dot override. Yes, perfect. Label, no need of label because it's already cell. Then text cell beside this. Yes. Then ID. What we will provide coverage name. Sorry. coverage name value rate group dot coverage name. Yes. Can we keep label? Let me try coverage name. I don't think we can. We need to have a header. Okay, it's coming on the top. Okay, fine. Coverage name. Then again, here now it is type key cell because our value is type key. Type key cell. Yeah. See here also we'll provide editable as open for edit. Sorry, this is no need. This should be false only. Will not provide user to edit it. And here ID rate group value should be rate group dot rate group value. Yeah, value type automatically will come rate group. If we go and come back, right, everything will populate perfectly. Yes. And then when it comes to editability, open for edit and it should be override. Then only we will provide user to override this one. So we created a row iterator, we added cells. Let me save it. Going here, okay, closing this tab, Alt Shift L. Let's see whether it will load or not. Still loading, guys. Still loading. Yeah, loaded. Yeah, rate groups. We can see collision and coverage. So this is the first vehicle. We can see 0, 0. That was the logic which we did. If I select this one, okay, I think we need to have a post on change. Let me enable it. Why? What happened suddenly? Yeah, I did Control Z. Something got changed. Why still? What is happening, guys? Let me go local history. It was all about our CAD panel. Coverage name, rate group. Why as of sudden checkbox is not showing? Coverage name, rate group only it is showing. Okay, looks like it is removed. Let me add it from here only. Yeah, okay. Is it still showing error? No, right? Control S. Okay. So we need to let me enable post and change. Defer update, I think it should be false. Control S. Do Alt Shift L. Because rate group should be editable as soon as we do checkbox. So let me add a label also for this checkbox. So it should be override rate group. Yeah, so it is loaded. I don't think these changes will come. Let it be see. Yeah, we can say defer update should be false. We can change this one here also. Yeah, let's go and see. Yeah, 0, 1, 0, 2. Because that was the logic. In case of vehicle number 3, we are doing subtraction and then we are suffixing 0. If we go the logic, where is this? Okay, let me go job process. There only we added this logic. Yes, in case of vehicle number -1, in case of less than 9, we are suffixing 0 and getting those particular number and attaching it. Let me override this value to some 7 and code the policy whether the same value will sustain or not. It will sustain because we are not modifying anything. Vehicles. rate groups. Yes, we have overridden. Let me do Alt Shift L again. Override label will come or not because I don't see this is generated. Let's see. Okay, it is reloaded. Rate groups. Yeah, override rate group. We have selected it as yes. So now what I will do, I'll just go and remove collision coverage, add towing and low bar, code the policy. It's only for first vehicle, guys. Let's see remove and adding logic is working or not. Yep, perfect. Everything is working, guys. We can see removing and adding also working. Let me go and remove both of them. Sorry, not risk analysis. It should be a PA coverages. So let me remove both of them and code the policy. Vehicles, rate groups. Yeah, there were no rate groups. Let me edit and go to coverages. Let me add rental reimbursement. Code the policy. Go to vehicles and see rate groups. Yeah, rental reimbursement is coming. This is how we can develop any array relationship, and this is how we can add it to the list view. So I just what I did, this is the card panel, same card I added, and just I added row iterator to show any row things, right? We need to have a row iterators, and do not override like me, guys. So we need to add it in the display key properties, and from display key to we need to call over here. And if we want to do sorting, right, we can do from here sorting. So here sorting is only two are there, right? So if we do like this, sorting will come coverage name. If we want to do it from here, we can do it from here itself. What actually is the priorities? Okay, so we can add the things here. I'm not adding, just removing it. But if we want, we can add it. And the piece of code, whatever I have written in the job process, right, I will provide in the comment section so that when we get these type of requirements, we can refer this piece of code, especially when adding and removing this list dot add all and remove all. Based on that, we need to do it. Hope you guys got my point, what I'm trying to say. If you have any questions, right, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll reply as soon as possible. And in the next video, what we will do, we will create a context through this array relation, right? We have in other videos we saw UW rules where each vehicle and each driver was there as a context. In the next video, what I will do, I'll create context for rate group. So that means for each and every uh, what I can say a rate group. So rate group we have two entries over here. So each and every rate group, we are going to trigger an UW rule. So let's see, that should be interesting. So we will see in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.